Today, we are delighted to have with us one of our proud alumnus who has made a mark through his dedication and hard work. It is truly inspiring to have with us our former student return and share his inspiring journey with us. Hello Jaison, can you tell more about yourself?
I am Jaison Raja. I studied in Bharath Vidya Mandir from my kindergarten to class 12. Now currently I am pursuing my MBBS in Pudukkottai Medical College.
What activities did you participate in during your school days?
During our school days, I actually liked going for quiz competitions. I and Ponsalva used to go for quiz competitions regularly throughout our 11th and 12th standard journey. We once went to Kovilpatti National Engineering College and won 10,000 cash prize in that competition. Also, we went to many competitions like Croza and won there also.
That's good to hear, Jaison.
Thank you.
How did your school support in achieving your goals?
Ma'am, our school from lower classes itself, they gave very good basics and foundation. That helped a lot during our class 11 and 12 while preparing for NEET exam. Even more specific in class 11 and 12, the last 2 months, the crash course was very good. That time everyone from our school, right from the teachers who took class for me in the beginning, like kindergarten till 12th standard, everyone helped me a lot during that time, motivated me. Senior mom also, she used to make calls and inquire us about our exams and scores. Our teachers, Vembudurai sir, Ketan sir, Vishal sir, Nandakishore sir, Rajsekhar sir, Gibson sir, everyone used to support us a lot, give us more exams, more time to discuss. Special mentions to Ponsalva, Priya, Anu, Abhishek, Sudeep, Haza, everyone who used to help me throughout my NEET journey. Without these people, this would have been difficult. Even when the exam got tough, we were able to clear it with the support of our school.
That's really motivating to hear from you, Jaison. Next, what important lessons did you learn from your school days?
Ma'am, during school days, I was head boy in my 11th standard. That gave me a lot of experience. I started interacting with many people during that period. That made a person who did not speak much to speak clearly. Now seminars and public speaking are made easy. And speaking to everyone with due respect is something that I learned from here. That is helpful when I went to college. Many experience I learned during the period when I and Anfal was head boy.
Glad to hear that, Jaison. What are your most memorable moments in your school?
The entire school life is the most memorable thing, but more specific, farewell that we conducted and that was conducted for us. Both we had lots of memories, lots of working together, fighting, chatting, everything was there. That was really a good experience. Lunch breaks of our class was the best. We all will eat together, different lunch, different people, but going to the sink, washing hands together and making fun there. Also the tour, Delhi tour was the best. That we went with our juniors, that made our friend circle large and we were really happy during that time.
Thank you, Jaison, for sharing all your valuable experiences with us.
Thank you.
And we wish you all success in all your future endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you.